Hey guys, this is Mr. Rich. I wanted to go over today the East Hall High School dress code for male students and make sure everybody understands what we're looking for. Now remember, at East Hall, us Vikings live by the shield. Shield is strength, honor, integrity, effort, loyalty, and determination. And this should be reflected in what we wear as well. So let's go over our dress code and expectations for this school year. 1. You can find the dress code on page 6 of the student agenda. It states clearly, students are expected to dress in a manner that is not disruptive to the school's learning environment. These decisions are made by our principal or his or her designee. So items such as hats, headbands, bandanas, sunglasses, or caps are not to be worn in the school building unless approved for special occasion. So please, unless you're outside, you do not need to be wearing these items. Also, shirts, blouses, or t-shirts with vulgar, offensive, or suggestive words or pictures or which advertise alcohol, tobacco, weapons, or controlled substance are denied. Remember also, we don't need to see your midriff. You also do not need to have any clothes that goes too far above your knee. Chains used to attach items or clothing are not allowed. Low, worn, baggy pants or pajama pants are not allowed. Or clothing or paraphernalia that is gang affiliated is also not allowed. So everything this penguin right here is wearing is no bueno. Now on page 43 of the student agenda, it lets you know that the following dress code violations are also here. Any clothing deemed inappropriate by the administration or faculty. Any exposed midriffs or tank tops, sheer through clothing. No undergarments should be visible. No pajama or sleep pants. Legging or jeggings or short tops need to be fingertip length. Any pant that have large skin exposing holes above the mid-thigh. No mini skirts. No short shorts, running shorts are not allowed. No hats, headbands, hoods, bandanas, sunglasses or caps, basically no head coverings. Earbuds, headphones, and other personal listening devices should not be worn during the class. Now this is important because many times we're trying to tell you what, make sure you're aware or you're safe, and sometimes you guys can't hear what's going on. So please take those earbuds out. Again, frayed jeans like you see on this young man here is way too high. That's no bueno, not good. However, frayed holes are okay as long as you can't see through it. All right, guys, that's our dress code. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask. And please make sure that we are living by the shield and we are following the right examples. Thank you.